Welcome student. Last video we are discussing the determination of pH by using hydrogen glass electrode. Now next point is detailed study of Quinhydrone and glass electrode and their use in the determination of pH. Now different types of electrode. First electrode is hydrogen gas electrode. Second is saturated calomel electrode. It is also called as SCE. It is also called as SCE, saturated calomel electrode, and next is Quinhydrone electrode, and fourth one is glass electrode. This all electrode is called as indicator electrode. These four types of electrode is called as indicator electrode. Indicator electrode. This all electrode are used to determination of pH by any solution. This indicator electrode used to determination of pH by any solution in potentiometric titration. In potentiometric titration. Now in this four electrode, first I see the Quinhydrone electrode. First I see the Quinhydrone electrode. Then first is construction. How to construct the Quinhydrone electrode? This construction is very simple and easy. Construction is very simple and easy. Construction in this part, this is the one glass tube, this is the one glass tube, this glass tube is containing solution of H plus ions. This glass tube containing solution of H plus ions. Solution of H plus ions. This is the solution containing H plus ions. This is the H plus ions solution. And this is the platinum wire. 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 What is the use of platinum wire? This platinum wire use only electric contact. Only electric contact. Electric contact. And in bottom of this tube is used the Quinhydrone powder. Quinhydrone powder. This is the simple construction. This is the one glass tube. In glass tube containing H plus ion solution, and this solution emits the platinum wire. Emits the platinum wire. What is the use of platinum wire? Platinum wire used only for the electric contact, and in this platinum wire dipped in the Quinhydrone powder. This is the Quinhydrone powder. This is the simple construction. Then how to representation of this electrode? This is the diagrammatically. How to representation of this electrode? First, solution of unknown concentration. Solution of unknown concentration. Solution of unknown concentration or pH. Then quinone and hydroquinone. Quinone and hydroquinone, and last is platinum wire. How to representation? Representation how to representation of cell? Solution of unknown concentration or pH. This is the solution of unknown concentration of pH. This is the quinone and hydroquinone. Quinone and hydroquinone, last one platinum. This is the represent. What is the Q? Q is equal to quinone. Q is equal to quinone. And what is the H2Q? H2Q means hydroquinone. Hydroquinone. But in this construction, use the Quinhydrone powder. Use the Quinhydrone powder. Means the solution of Quinhydrone powder. This is the equimolar quantities of quinone and hydroquinone. Equimolar quantities of quinone and hydroquinone. Instead of quinone and hydroquinone, म्हणजे क्विनोन आणि हायड्रोक्विनोनच्या ऐवजी आपण कन्स्ट्रक्शनमध्ये क्विनहायड्रोन पावडर यूज केलेला आहे. बट दिस क्विनहायड्रोन पावडर मीन्स सोल्युशन ऑफ क्विनहायड्रोन पावडर इट इज द इक्विमोलर क्वांटिटीज ऑफ क्विनोन अँड हायड्रोक्विनोन. म्हणजे सोल्युशन ऑफ क्विनहायड्रोन पावडर झालं तर त्याच्यामध्ये काय फॉर्म होतं, क्विनोन अँड हायड्रोक्विनोन. मीन्स क्विनहायड्रोन पावडर इज द इक्विमोलर क्वांटिटीज ऑफ क्विनोन अँड हायड्रोक्विनोन. क्विनोन अँड हायड्रोक्विनोन means quinhydrone powder or solution of quinhydrone powder is equal to equimolar quantities of quinone plus hydroquinone. Quinone and hydroquinone. Q is the quinone and H2Q means hydroquinone. The instead of quinone and hydroquinone use the quinhydrone powder means quinhydrone powder is the equimolar quantities of quinone and hydroquinone. Quinhydrone powder is equal to equimolar quantities of quinone and hydroquinone. Means whenever the solution of quinhydrone powder to this quinhydrone powder breaks the quinone and hydroquinone. जर क्विनहायड्रोन पावडरचं सोल्युशन बनवलं तर क्विनहायड्रोन पावडरचं ब्रेक होतं कशामध्ये, क्विनोन प्लस हायड्रोक्विनोन. दिस इज द इक्विमोलर क्वांटिटीज. इक्विमोलर quantities of quinone and hydroquinone. That's why use the construction of this quinhydrone powder, use the quinhydrone powder because this is the equimolar quantities of quinone and hydroquinone. Quinone and hydroquinone. See here, what is the molecular formula of quinhydrone? C6H4O2. C6H4O2 C6H4OH twice. This is the molecular formula of quinhydrone. Molecular formula of quinhydrone. This is the equimolar quantities of this is the molecular formula of quinhydrone. C6H4O2 C6H4OH twice. This is the equimolar quantity of the next. This quinhydrone powder is breaks into quinone and hydroquinone. See, C6H4O2, this is the quinone. This quinhydrone powder, whenever the solution of this quinhydrone powder breaks the quinone and hydroquinone. C6H4O2, this is the quinone, and C6H4OH twice, this is the hydroquinone. This is the hydroquinone. This is the molecular formula of quinhydrone. This quinhydrone powder is breaks then form the quinone and hydroquinone. This is the very simple construction of quinhydrone powder. This is the very simple construction of quinhydrone electrode. This quinhydrone electrode used to determination of pH by any solution. This is the simple construction. This platinum wire is only used for the electric contact. In this tube containing H plus ion solution means unknown pH of the solution and use the quinhydrone powder. Then representation of cell is solution of unknown concentration or pH, quinone, hydroquinone and platinum. Q is the quinone and H2Q is the hydroquinone. H2Q is the hydroquinone. This is the very simple construction and representation of the quinhydrone electrode. Then next is the working. Next point is the working of the quinhydrone electrode.